Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Journal app on iPhone. This application recently launched on iOS 17. So basically if you have updated your phone, then you have it. I have updated mine to 17.3, so I have the Journal app right here. So this application actually lets you record your daily thoughts and activities, incorporating data like photos, music you listen to, workouts, and more. So to create an entry, you just basically go to this Journal app. You click on continue. And as you can see, you can start journaling instantly. So just click plus sign. You can customize suggestion, turn on journaling suggestions. So I'm just gonna click not now. And let's create a new entry right here. So now let's write down something like that. Tuesday now, so something like that. And then basically you can incorporate and write, for example, started with suggestions. Let's turn it on just basically so they would let us, for example, afternoon walk. Let's add to our location. You can add the photos, you can add the music you listen to, or something else. Now, this is how you create a journaling entry. To create a journaling schedule, you need to go to settings, scroll down until you see Journal app right here. And after that, you can see a journaling schedule right here. Basically, you can choose time and date you want to, basically to choose, you want to be reminded to write and select the time also. So the journaling app will remind you to go and journal your day. And also what I suggest to do is lock your journal, because if someone will access your phone, you may want to lock it and require the passcode when after 1 minute or whatever you choose to. So yeah guys, that's how you use the Journal app on iPhone. I hope this video has helped you, and if yes, please leave a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.